Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Is the job completely secure in product-based companies once selected? See, there is first thing understand what is security. There is no security as such. Okay, this security business is only if you want a secure job, okay, then you will not grow really fast, because one is you will stay in one place for a very long time. Okay, and when you stay in one place for a very long time, what happens is it will just your career will get stagnated, because IT industry is such that you cannot remain at one place in one project in one company for a very long time. It is such, even within the same company you will have to keep changing, you'll have to keep moving from project to project. Maybe you did this for 3 years, now you have to change something and do something else, maybe get involved in something else, maybe get involved in a new product, maybe get involved in some other area of software development. Okay, so you will have to keep changing your job throughout your career for growth purpose. Okay, so when you say job security, it's very difficult to, like today, one company is doing really well and everybody in the nobody is leaving that company and the jobs are secure. What happens after 3 years? Suddenly something happens and this company totally goes into a loss. For example, let's say there is a company which is making software for the hotel industry. Okay, and they're doing really well, and the pandemic comes, the COVID-19 pandemic, the hotel industry goes down. What will happen to the software company which is serving the hotel industry? If it does not change its software, it will go down along with the hotel industry. Then what happens to the job of those people who are working in this company? It's unsecure. Okay, there is no security in a job anywhere in any private company. Okay, even and now even in government it is happening that if you are not performing, then you will be removed from your job. Okay, in fact government is now divesting, so it's just coming out of all public sector units, which means in future there are going to be less and less jobs, technical jobs which will be available directly in the government. They will be much lesser in nature. Okay, so there is no security. Okay, and don't go for security. Make yourself such that you don't need security. Okay, become an A player in your industry, become an A player in your company, become an A player in your industry, such that the companies are chasing you, such that the industry is chasing you, such that people want Rohan Todkar to come in and work for them. Correct? You become that way. Okay? And A player is nothing but a person who starts working on whatever he's learning every day. He's with every small thing that he's learning, he's becoming a little bit better every day. Okay, 1% improvement every day, 365% improvement in 1 year. It will change your entire career. Okay, so become an A player, and if you don't know how to become an A player, then you need my help. Okay, then you need to check this program, how to become an A player, and look at this program and see if you want to do this program, because that will help you in becoming an A player. And when you become an A player, it does not matter whether your company is going up or down, it does not matter whether you are in a small company or big company, it does not matter there is a recession or there is no recession, it does not matter if the tools and technologies you are working on have scope or no scope. All these things does not matter if you are an A player, because an A player is a person who is totally accomplished person who can make a career for himself. Even if the industry keeps changing, he will change along with the industry. That is what is an A player. Okay, when you go and sit in front of people, people will say, this is exactly the person I want as an employee of my company. And companies are ready to pay you whatever you want to hire you. Okay, that's what is an A player. Okay, so instead of thinking about security, think about how you can be the best. See, think about cricket uh, think about a cricket team, right? In a cricket team, it was very difficult for the selectors to say that whether to, whether to pick Sachin Tendulkar or not. They would, till Sachin Tendulkar said that, okay, now I don't want to play for, one day internationals, or I don't want to play for um, the 5 day test matches. I don't want to play for T20. Till that time, people always would want to select Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, why? Because he was called the god of cricket. And how do you keep the god of cricket outside the cricket field if he's still available to play? Okay, similar thing happened with Dhoni, because they raised their level of skills to a level that nobody could ignore these people. So they played for a very long time. Okay, during this period, there would have been a lot of players who would have come and gone in the cricket team. They came in, they played for 1 or 2 years, and then they were not selected again. Why? Because they could not perform, right? But these players like Sachin Tendulkar or Rahul Dravid or Mahendra Singh Dhoni or even Saurav Ganguly or these, the great players, some of the very big players, they played a very long innings. They played like 300 matches, 400 matches, only because they made themselves A players. Correct? The same thing you need to do for yourself in the IT industry. You need to think what is an A player, and then you need to start working towards becoming an A player. Okay, who can create his own career just because he has the ability to visualize where he wants to go next. Okay, so if you become an A player, then you don't have to worry about all this security and all. Security will come automatically. Okay, whether you talk about product based companies or service based companies, none of any companies are secure as such. Okay, and then there are people who will remain on bench for 5 years, and even then they are not removed from the company. So there are such people, but then okay, their incomes would not grow, their careers would not grow. They have no, if they are fired for any reason, then they would not, it would not be easy for them to get a job. Okay, so it's better to grow yourself in such a way that you don't have to worry about security. Okay, don't worry about these things like security and other things. Okay, think about how good you are, so that uh, people want you in their company. That's very important. Is it okay, Rohan? I hope you become an A player. I hope you start thinking about what's an A player, and start working towards becoming an A player. Whether you go for my course or not, that's not important, because see, uh, everybody goes to school. Okay, but only 5% or 10% people actually get some benefit of going to school. Rest of the 80-90% of students just have that degree in hand, or just have the mark sheet in hand, and if you ask them what did they learn, they say, I don't know. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, uh, any course is always like that. Okay, but yes, a course is a shortcut to learn something that somebody has learned in many many years. Like for example, today I have an experience. I started working in 1995 in the IT industry. So today I have an experience of almost 25 years. Okay, and when I make a course, okay, you have the ability to absorb a lot of my experience from whatever information I'm sharing in my course, which is for those 20-25 years. Okay, so like when you are working, you will remind yourself of things which I've told you, which is a shortcut for you, because you could do this course in 60 days, and within 60 days you will have information which took me 25 years to collect. Correct? So this is very important to understand, and a lot of engineers don't understand this. A lot of engineers, see, there are a lot of people who take my A players course, and you know what, they will, when they, once they will start doing it within a month or 2 months, they will start seeing changes within their thinking and mindset to such an extent that automatically they will come and tell me, Amit, I don't know, but these things, these changes are happening in my career. Okay, and it may not be because my course is great or something. This information is available everywhere in the world. Okay, whatever I'm teaching is not like uh, I have learned it from some people, so obviously I'm teaching you something that is already out there in the world, right? But only thing is I've done is I've organized it so that it becomes easy for you to learn something that took me 20-25 years in a matter of 60 days. Okay, and when you start applying things that you learn, okay, that will start accelerating your career at a full speed. Okay, uh, every when you lot of times you will see that people will get skills. Like for example, let's say there is a cricketer and one is cricketing skills. Okay, they will get cricketing skills, but cricketers may also attend yoga classes, or cricketers may also attend meditation classes, or cricketers may go and play football. Why do they do this? Because these skills are not going to help them, but these skills are indirectly going to help them in some way. Like if they do meditation, then it is going to help them in the cricket field. Now there is no direct relation of meditation with doing well in cricket. Correct? There is no direct relation, but doing meditation will improve their focus, and improving the focus will overall improve their game. Correct? Is meditation required for playing cricket? No. You just need cricketing skills for playing cricket. It's the same way. My course on how to become an A player is something similar, where if you ask me, do you need this course to be successful in your career? No, you don't need this course. But if you do this course, then this can accelerate your success. Like if it would take you 5 years to learn what I have put in this course, maybe by learning it in 60 days, within 1 year, you achieve some things which would have taken you 5 years. Okay, so it's always like that. Is it okay, Rohan? So don't get insecure. Instead of that, I would say become an A player. Become an A player. That will help you a lot. All of you who are still watching this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. I do this live session on every Thursday at 9:05 p.m. If you are interested in how to become an A player, then in the description of this video, you will find a link. Okay. Thank you very much.